I want to chop your apple. Never did it back and it's real. Open up, make us feel. Yeah, my love want to make a bad man feel.
Welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with another candle video. So just in time for the holidays, you guys have seen me do my top 4 print-on-demand candle companies, and by far Printed Mint is #1. I am going to show you their newest candle that has dropped that is actually perfect for the holiday season. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. As always, I try to remind you guys to go ahead and make sure you're logged in under printedmint.app so you can see all of the products that are available. And here they are. It is the candle amber jar. These are by far the sexiest candles that I know. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the 9-ounce because if you're gonna do it, you might as well go big. Go big or go home. So this is the 9-ounce amber jar candle. Here it is a cotton wick, as you can see. I love these style of candles so much, and I'm super excited to go ahead and review this and show you guys how I am going to add one of my other designs onto this one. It says amber candle jar is perfect for style decor, special vibrant warm tones. Coconut wax is vegan, gluten-free, toxin-free, paraben-free, utilizes only FDA approved wax. Lid color is gold, natural dyes, course always hand pour, burn time 50 hours. Just a little bit more information for you guys. I'm going to go and use my same design style, but let's check out these scents. We have beechwood, blackberry vanilla, sage and cypress, wild fig, evergreen, cinnamon chai, and blood orange. So I'm going to go ahead and hit design. I've already downloaded my design file. And I think just because I've done so many candles on here, there's no need for me to rework the system. I already have a file that I use for all my candles with Printed Mint. So I just copy them in Canva, so it's always the same size. But this is my sister's design that I've created. It's already on my TeePublic store, but I wanted to go ahead and put this on a candle. And I did like this background here. The words are going to go like a little off, but that's fine because of the way I created the design. It is perfectly fine. And I kind of love this look. So the dimensions are good. It's 5,000 by 5,000. The DPI is good, which is always a good thing. So here is the design, and I love it. Shout out to T and Tamara. Now I have my mock-up. I think I'm probably going to get the sage and cypress just because it's probably like a scent that I haven't done yet. So I'm going to choose that one, and look at how this looks. I'm here for nudes. Anything nude color. It just gives me fall vibes. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. It is saving my design. I think it looks amazing, and I know it's going to look amazing when it arrives, as always, and I know it's going to smell good. I'm going to put sage candle in the amber jar. Again, it always has the description, and it's up to you guys to go ahead and choose what you want. So if this was a 9-ounce candle that you wanted to sell, I would say about between $25 and $30 is, we want the retail price to be $30. So your profit off of this this candle would be about $20.50. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my cart. I am going to purchase it, and when it arrives, I will unbox this candle for you guys so you can see what it looks like. I'll let you know how long it took to get here. But for right now, that is all I have to show you guys for this video. Super excited about this new addition to the Printed Mint candle family. And right now, to all the other print-on-demand sites, they got their foot on your necks, honey. Like at this point, we should all just stop using the rest of them and use Printed Mint because the packaging, the quality, it just screams bougie. And that's what I want my customers to feel and to experience every time that they order something from my shop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time.